counties. I repeat, calling out all counties. Cumberland, Harnett, Western Harnett, Hope, Clinton, Spring Lake, Johnson, and Robertson County. Get ready for the game changer, baby. It's Celebrity Saturdays. And we're calling out all high school and college students. Going down this Saturday night, April 21st. And it's all hosted by your girl, Emma Not the Iron Butterfly, and TGC at the Hangout, 416 Raleigh Street in Fayetteville, right behind the Vicks Drive-In. That's right, the Hangout. And ladies, if you're one of the first 15 in line, you're in free. And fellas, you know we couldn't forget about you. So for the first 15 fellas, it's $5. You heard me, $5 at the Hangout. Plus, we got ticket giveaways for Little Will's album release party. That's right, it's going down Celebrity Saturdays, the Hangout, 416 Raleigh Street in Fayetteville. For more information, call 910-670-1351. And parents trust and believe security will be tight. At the Hangout, the hottest Friday and Saturday night spot to party at in the Ville. This is a Fuller Boy and Holiday Entertainment production.